Do you want to succeed in life? Do you want to live with all possible comforts? I'm sure your answer is yes, of course. Then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to teach you how to better manage your finances and control unnecessary expenses. I will show you 7 things that the poor waste money on. According to Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor. And the last item on the list will surprise you, so stay tuned until the end not to miss any details. I also invite you to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to be one step closer to success in your life. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Gambling. Warren Buffett points out that, while an occasional gamble may be harmless, regular betting can be detrimental. Imagine slot machines as tempting illusions. Each spin can take your money in minutes. Ambition can cloud reality, quickly leading you to bankruptcy. Instead, channel that energy into understanding investments. Real gain comes from conscious and calculated financial decisions. Invest your time in understanding the market, diversifying your assets, and cultivating a long-term investment mindset. Remember, gambling is a blind bet, while intelligent investment is the key to building wealth. As you avoid this financial trap, you'll be one step closer to achieving your economic goals and living a financially fulfilling life. Persist in your pursuit of financial success. 2. Buying a house. Let's go for more on your path to financial freedom. Contrary to common belief, the wealthy do not always acquire a house immediately. The strategy here is as clever as it is inspiring: rent while building solid assets. This tactic provides the necessary flexibility to invest in opportunities that yield higher returns without compromising liquidity. Think of it as building a robust financial foundation before committing to property. While renting, you're freeing up capital to invest in stocks, real estate, or other financial vehicles. Once your assets generate enough income, you can take the step and buy that dream home without sacrificing your financial stability. This strategic approach not only preserves your liquidity but also puts you in a stronger position to build long-term wealth. Forge ahead with confidence. 3. Paying for a gym without commitment. You're on the path to financial transformation, and let's intelligently address the topic of the gym. Statistics reveal that millions sign up for gyms, but around 70% stop attending after the first few months. This unnecessary expense can impact your wallet and motivation. Instead of committing financially without personal commitment, opt for more affordable options or create a home workout space. The key here is not only to save money, but also to genuinely commit to a healthy lifestyle. You can find free workouts online, engage in outdoor sports, or simply take a walk. Investing in your health is crucial, but it doesn't necessarily require an expensive gym subscription. Adjust your approach, and in doing so, you'll not only strengthen your body, but also your financial position. Make health and wealth your allies. 4. Luxury brands. Here, we explore the trap of luxury brands, an area where perception often outweighs financial reality. The less fortunate sometimes buy unnecessary items regardless of the cost, while the successful do not fall into that trap. The key lesson here is that true wealth is not measured by price tags, but by quality and functionality. Instead of spending on luxury products just for prestige, look for items that genuinely enhance your life. The difference between the poor and the rich is not simply the nominal value of the things they own, but the intelligence in their spending choices. By choosing quality over brand, you'll be saving money to invest in opportunities that truly matter in the long run. Dare to be selective and conscious in your purchasing decisions. True financial sophistication is not displayed in the label, but in informed choices. Chart your course toward financial prosperity. 5. Buying a new car. Now, let's explore why buying a new car can be a financial trap. When acquiring a vehicle fresh from the dealership, you experience significant depreciation as soon as you drive off. This act may seem like a milestone, but from a financial perspective, it's a risky step. Most people turn to loans to acquire a new car, but it's essential to understand that you're in debt to buy an asset that depreciates instantly. Consider the option of used vehicles. You get a car at a more reasonable price and avoid initial depreciation. By adopting this approach, you not only preserve your capital but can also allocate those resources to investments that increase your wealth instead of diminishing it. Remember, your car should not be a financial burden but a sensible investment that helps you move toward your goals. Drive toward financial success with wisdom. 6. Watching TV and playing video games. In the world of finance, every minute counts, and spending excessive time on passive activities like watching TV or playing video games can be a trap for those aspiring to success. Warren Buffett highlights that this trend is more common in middle and lower income households than in wealthier ones. The key here is to transform your leisure time into an investment in yourself. Instead of wasting hours in front of a screen, look for activities that nurture your mind and propel you toward your goals. Read books, participate in online courses, or dedicate time to developing valuable skills. Remember, every moment is an opportunity to grow and improve. By changing your entertainment habits, you not only save time but also build a path to personal and financial progress. Turn your time into a valuable resource that brings you closer to your dreams. 7. Extravagant vacations. Now, let's talk about luxurious getaways and how, if not handled carefully, they can become a financial burden. While experiences are fundamental for a fulfilling life, going into debt to fund lavish vacations can have long-term consequences. Planning a well-deserved vacation is essential, but the key is in planning and budgeting. Avoid falling into the trap of impulsive borrowing for a few weeks of pleasure. Instead, look for smart deals, save in advance, and set clear limits on your expenses during the trip. Quality experiences don't always require exorbitant spending. By adopting a planned approach, you'll not only enjoy your vacations, but also ensure you're not compromising your financial stability. Remember, balancing enjoying the present and securing your financial future is essential. With conscious decisions, each experience can be an investment in your overall well-being. Plan wisely and enjoy your travels without financial regrets. In summary, it is important to avoid these financial mistakes to succeed. Thanks for watching this far. I hope Buffett's wisdom is helpful to you, and our video has added value to your life. If you liked it, leave a big like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye and thank you.